Hi everyone, yep, and now for a blessed game, and last time with me, Mario, Pac-man, Mr.Game, and the Charizard. Nice for saying Zar, haha. And today we're gonna do a tour of birds with speed boots. Yes, I don't even have any birds. Yeah, this way Flappy keeps game. His eyes pop out. Alright, ding ding, and 4, and I don't know, maybe 2. Yeah, we're gonna do no delay. Alright, everybody, choose your destination and give it to which one's as. The bottom left corner is gonna be me, Mario. The bottom right corner is gonna be Pac-man. The top right corner is gonna be Charizard. Top left corner is Mr.Game. Oh boy. Yeah, we guys get change over it because we don't have that. Alright, we'll just get started. Alright, everybody flap your wings. So, wow. No. I gotta get through the pipe. Ow. Damn it, 4. Oh bye. First place. That one like for a battle like that I got stuck. Are you ad? Dang ad. I swear I'm gonna kill you. And one life and no delay. So maybe no. Okay. Everybody let's get started. This time we gotta go through the pipe. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Oh no. Alright. For me now. Ah! Dang it. Hey! No! So up at there. Oh boy, my first boy. Yeah. Anyway, like 3 lives, just make a little bit. Let's go. Grab your wings to begin. Yeah. Take it to book. Ah. Now. On my face. Now. Ah. Oh, there you go. Ah, there you go. That was about to be first. Wait. That sounds pathetic. Yeah. Hey, one more across the road. Yeah. Let's fly about tower 5 hours. Let's give us a start. Yeah. Go. Flap. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's hard because they jump too high. Hey. Don't practice your part. Do will. Die they ruined it. Oh, well. But it's the rap. Hey, I don't get it. Don't right away. These threats get started. Like, that's the rap.